First of all, the activity was fun yet challenging because this is my first time to have this task. Then might be challenging, but we have a very effective communication because me and the students have a collaboration, and they have a effectively participation during the tutoring lessons, and it was an honor to be given this task and a great opportunity to be able to help them and share my knowledge about that certain topic that they might have a little difficulty. And it builds empowerment because it's not about just teaching, but it helps them how to learn, to be able to build their confidence and to be able to build the ability to overcome challenges that may have to deal with it.
And sa tutoring po natin, na-realize ko na yung ibang estudyante po, meron lang silang certain questions sa specific topics na talagang kailangan po maging clear sila. Kasi po yung, parang na-stuck po sila doon, and once na na-clear niyo po yung idea, yung question po na yun, is okay na po sila sa rest. So I think also po na naging maganda po itong tutoring kasi natututo po yung tutors and yung tutees sa isa't isa kasi meron mga learnings na na-share sila sa isa't isa na na-learn nila from different professor. And sana po is itong tutoring is magtuloy-tuloy po para ma-less natin yung mga bilang mga estudyante na nahuhuli po.
It's been a fun and good experience to be part of this program na makapag-study and makapag-review ng strength of materials, no? Alam naman natin na hindi madali yung subject na to, and thank you kay sir na binigyan kami ng opportunity na makatulong sa kapwa naming student na mas maintindihan pa yung mga topics pagdating sa subject na ito, no? So, doon naman sa mga student na nakasama namin sa pag-aaral and pag-review, thank you sa pakikinig doon sa mga pag-aaral na ginawa natin, and then doon sa mga problems na sinusolve natin. So, sana sipagan lang natin palagi sa pag-aaral, and soon enough, magiging engineers din tayo. So, that's all. Thank you po.
So that's for all. Until next time, and thank you for the opportunity.
Yun lang po.
Okay na, Beng!